Is that the coast?
Yeah. Alright guys, welcome back to another adventure. Today we have something very epic. We are back. First of all, before I even get into where we are back with the 3-Ply Mafia once again. We got Rhythm Rider there, we got Freaktography there. Links will be down below. Guys, today we are at an abandoned bowling alley with everything left in it. The bowling balls, Rhythm Riders, we're gonna play with my balls a little bit. Freaktography might juggle them a little bit. I don't know, whatever we're gonna do here, but we're gonna check this out. So you know what? Let's get this going.
Alright guys, welcome back to another adventure. My name is Carlo Pelosa, and I'm here with my boys, Freaktography and Rhythm Rider. What is up guys? 3-Ply Mafia.
Alright guys, here we are at the front door. As you can see, it's boarded. It's got the old school windows from the 50s, 60s possibly. So, we're gonna start by going in the basement and see what's down here. Fire extinguisher. Oh, it smells very moldy down here, for sure. What's this? Oh, look at the mold right in the wall. It's water damage, definitely. Women? Bathroom? It's untouched, guys, right now. This bowling alley. I'm gonna assume the boys' bathroom is here. The urinals. And then this is definitely the electrical room. Those are like the main power shutoffs of the building, guaranteed. We got Rhythm Rider right there. He's doing some pictures. Got Freaktography right over there. Guys, look at this. Look at this old school bar. Speakers from, oh, say 1980, I would say. Look at the dust on the top. Look at this. Watch out, ready? Let me stand up here. Ready? U, B, C. That's how you do it, boys. Oh, they got some old newspaper clippings, cartoons. It's kind of cool to see the glass not broken on this, but you know. And guys, look, it's got all the shoes still left in here, like it's just been recently shut. The sink has been ripped out. What's this? It's the table. Coffee machine. Oh yeah, microwave. They're balling. Look at that. Fuse panel right here. Excuse me, guys. You guys gotta be quiet. Thank you very much. Look at you guys setting up. Look at this. Rhythm Rider. Look, look, look. Rhythm Rider's playing with balls.
Two candle lights.
I'm gonna check this area out later. Oh, look at that. He's juggling. You're a good juggler. Let's see what's upstairs. Whoa. Mine's up here, damn. Coca-Cola machine. This is cool. You know the panel, I guess these panels are the ones that run all the lights up here.
What's up, UBC?
Not much, what's up with you?
There we go.
Oh, yeah, nice.
Hey, UBC, yeah, there he is. You can see him. There you go. Yeah. We're in each other's video now.
I like this, eh? You like seeing old Coke memorabilia?
Yeah, I like that.
Not destroyed is amazing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, look at this. It's even got the old coin. What is it, 15 cents it says?
Like that, yeah.
15, guys. That shows, it says 85 here, but on the actual machine it's 15 cents. This obviously shows its age. It's very collectible. So realistically, I hope nobody comes in this place that takes pictures, videos, destroys it, because that's very unique. And I hope, really, if someone claims ownership to this place, like, it's obviously abandoned for a while now, I hope someone takes it and does something with it, because it's very valuable. So, look at this. Have you guys walked back here? Have you guys walked back here? Guys, let's take a peek. Let's look back here. My shoes are like squawking. Look at this. Wow, this is more high tech. Well, not high tech, more different than the other bowling alley I've ever been in. Wow. That's crazy. If you guys know anything about bowling alleys and the pin machines, tell me how old this looks. This is definitely from the 60s, I know that, but this machine could have been later, who knows? I'm not 100% sure. Man, my shoes are squeaky. The floor is squeaky clean still. This door. Should we open it? No. It's kind of cool though. Look at this. Oh, it's got a light bulb. Like, this is awesome. Guys, this is actually pretty cool. It's still squeaky clean. Mind you, I bring the shoes on right now too, so it, it helps the squeaking. I know I'm gonna get the comments, why are your shoes squeaking? God, even all the bowling balls are still here. Like, look. That doesn't have the top part on it, but look at that. Even the old little desk, but look, we even got the balls right there, the bigger ones. These are kid-sized balls, right? So. UBJ, please sit down. All right?
Hold on, guys. Three Ply Mafia back together. That's UBC right there. You know him already. You want me to sit down?
Sit down. Urbich Sammy, please stand up. Please stand up.
This is the kind of nonsense that we missed.
Yeah.
What do you think about this place there?
This is nice.
That's for it?
No, what is this?
They put water in there and you wipe your hands on it?
Oh, for when you do the bowling.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. Actually, I totally forgot about that. I remember hearing about stuff like that. But only the older bowling alleys have that. Newer ones don't have nothing. Because they're usually more air conditioned, better than what this would have been, so. But actually, guys, it's very nice. It's very untouched. And I hope to God no one comes here and destroys this. Especially that. I'm still in awe with that. That's amazing. And we got this old seat right here. See guys, all the boards are still up. Look at the stairs again, they're just so old school. Alright, that's the stairs that go upstairs, guys. We just came back down to the main floor. And we have some names up on the board. So upstairs we had from 7 on, now we have from 6 all the way down to number 1. So this is 12 lanes of goodness. My light's flying everywhere, guys. Look at this one. This one's even different. Look at these. Bolomatic. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, look at the shoebox. Alright guys, I'm going to end my video off right here. Definitely smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button because we got Freaktography here, Rhythm Rider there.
Reply Mafia, what?
Their links will be down below. Those dumbasses won't give me a beer. I'm joking. I refuse one just because I don't want to have one. I'm going to have a water, stay hydrated. You know, I don't need a bigger belly. You know, I'm trying to lose some weight right now. So with that being said, stay positive merch down below. Check it out. It supports the channel and myself. So keep it real, stay positive, and I'll see you next time. Peace.